Hey there! Today I have a Stitchfix to unbox. So if you're not familiar with Stitchfix, it's an online subscription service and I've been doing Stitchfix for over a year, and I'll put my playlist of previous Stitchfix unboxing videos up above, and also I'll put information in the description box below along with my referral link in case you want to check it out. Yeah, so if you watched my last Stitchfix video, it wasn't the most successful, to be honest. I did send everything back, and it actually was the first time in over 20 fixes that I'd actually had to send everything back. And I think part of it is just because I am getting more selective. As you probably guessed, I already do have a lot of clothes. And also, I think I've been kind of slacking on my note to my stylist when I request my fix. So for this fix, I put more detail in my note, and I actually requested specific items. So I requested a burgundy cardigan, a denim skirt, and also a brown bag. So let's see what I got. Okay, so this time I got a bigger box, and here's what it looks like inside. Okay, so here's my bundle. It's one side, and here's the other side. And then I also have in here is my bag. Yeah, and actually I probably should have specified purse. Okay, so let's take a look at my my note. Okay, so here's my note. And as always, yay, my stylist is Holly, and she's the same stylist and she does an awesome job, and I've had her for over 20 fixes. So let's see what Holly says. So I'm going to go ahead and read the note, and I'll scan it, put it up above so you can read it too. Okay, but I'm going to go ahead and read it. Okay, so it sounds like Holly really did try to look for the items that I requested, but unfortunately she said she couldn't find a denim skirt in the length that I'm looking for, so oh well. Yeah, I told her I just wanted something not too short. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, and if you guys are wondering where my dogs are, they're right here. They're just kind of out of the camera shot, but they always do stay near. So, and they're sleeping. Okay, the first item is a top. Okay, and this is nice. It's a knit material, and it looks like it has a Dolman sleeve. It's mixed by 41 Hawthorn, and it's the Kearny Dolman knit in dark pink, size medium. And this is $36. So that's not a bad price. This is a cute top. I actually don't own, if you can believe it, I don't own a single Dolman top. So yeah, definitely give this a try. Okay, next, ooh, this is the cardigan. So yes, I had asked her for a burgundy cardigan. Oh, this is a nice one. It's kind of got a different, is that like a marl knit print? And this is the Cotton Emporium Mckenna Waterfall cardigan in burgundy, size medium. And this one, oh, it's only $38. So that is not a bad price. And it's a nice lightweight cardigan, which works for me, especially in Hawaii. And yeah, it has a waterfall front. Next, oh wow, this is a very pretty dress. Look at this. Gorgeous. This is by RENEE, made in the USA, and it's the Addae textured knit dress, off-white in medium petite. It's a nice kind of a thicker, heavier knit, and this one is $74. So a little bit on the pricey side, but oh, this is so cute. Okay, well, definitely try this. Next, lastly, oh, another dress, and I love dresses. I don't know about this one. It has a crisscross in the back, so I hope it's not too low. But it's by KAILEIGH. I really do like that brand. It's the Feya knit dress in black, size medium. And this one is $54. But yeah, I mean, it is really cute. And I think she said this would go with the cardigan, I'm pretty sure. Okay, and I almost forgot to include this bag. It's a tote bag. It's by Street Level, and it's the Kevin canvas tote. And you can see it is actually really cute. It's got like these stripes, and it's just a basic bag. It's got like a little pouch that's attached. Yeah, so I did ask for a bag in like a camel color, but I was thinking actually of a different bag. I pinned it. I was thinking more of like this crossbody, kind of a smaller bag. But I mean, this is a cute tote. I think I should have probably put purse in my note instead of bag. Okay, so that was everything I got in my fix this month. And yeah, not bad. I think very cute stuff. So now I'm gonna go ahead, try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here is the RENEE dress. And it is very pretty, but it's kind of short. I hate to say it. It is so nice. It's a cute dress. And let's see. Yeah, I think for me, it's so flippy, and ooh, if there's a wind, it would be bad. So it is, although I really do love this dress, I don't think I feel comfortable wearing it because it's a little short. But it's so gorgeous. So I know this is a petite size, so if it comes in a regular size, that might work. But yeah, it's very cute. Okay, and here is the second dress with the crisscross on the back. And it fits nicely. It's a very flattering, I think it's called fit and flare style. The knit is kind of on the thicker side, and yeah, kind of snug, but I mean, I don't think it's too tight. But yeah, just a very nice basic dress. I think this would be easy to wear, and I'll just throw a cardigan because this thing I'll probably, yeah. It does have this crisscross in the back. So, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I like the length on this a lot better than the other dress. Okay, and here is the cardigan. And I just put it over this dress. I don't know if it actually, I don't think this is probably how I'd wear it. I think this is kind of a big flowy cardigan, so you probably want to wear it over something more fitted. But it is very, very nice. I do like it. And I kind of like this. I don't have a waterfall cardigan. And the color is nice. It's kind of what I was looking for. Yeah, I think this is very cute. And I like that it's lightweight. And I think it just falls nicely. So, yeah, very, very cute cardigan. Okay, so here is the Dolman top. And I think it's actually very nice. It's very comfortable. I'm not sure if this style, where it's like very fitted around like this tummy area, is the most flattering, but I don't know. I mean, it's cute, it's comfortable. I think it looks good with jeans. And these are my Spanx jeggings that I got from Transcend. And I also just paired it with some white sneakers. So yeah, I think this is a very easy top to wear. And I honestly don't have anything like it. So yeah, not bad. Okay, and here's that brown tote bag. So you can see proportionately how it looks. And it's just a very nice tote bag. It has like stripes on the side. And this is the bottom. So yeah, not bad, very cute. Okay, so I tried everything on, and honestly I thought this was a pretty good fix. I would say my favorite item was this cardigan. And I was looking for a burgundy cardigan because I had previously cleaned out my closet and I decluttered half my cardigans. I took them all down to Goodwill. It's like ripping out a Band-Aid, right? You just clear out your closet, stuff everything into a trash bag, boom, just take it down to Goodwill right away before you can change your mind. So that's what I did. And after looking at my closet, I'm like, I don't have any burgundy cardigans now. So I started looking for one. I couldn't find one on my own, surprisingly. So I asked for one this month from Stitchfix. So this is what I got, and I think this is very cute. So I don't have anything that has this kind of waterfall style either, and I thought it looked nice. I think I'll be keeping this. Not sure about this Dolman top. Honestly, I was looking back at the try-on video, and it almost made me look pregnant. I don't know, I'm not sure. I think because it really emphasizes the tummy. So I think probably this is a no for me, even though it's very comfortable. This dress, I love this dress actually. It's very cute, and it's just that it was a little short for me. I'm kind of on the fence with this dress. I do like this dress a lot, but I do already have so many dresses. I don't have a dress that looks like this, but yeah, so we'll see. I'm gonna think about it. This is a very cute dress. I can see myself wearing this definitely, even with the crisscross in the back. I still think it's very cute. So we'll see. I'm gonna think about this one. Yeah, lastly, the tote bag. Yeah, sorry, Holly. I probably should have been more specific in my note. It is a cute tote bag, but yeah, not really what I was looking for. Sorry. Okay, so now let's go over the invoice. So the total for my fix this month was $250. If I were to buy all 5, which I don't think I will be, the discount would be $62.50, and the order subtotal would come down to $187.50. Yeah, so for this fix, I'll probably for sure be keeping the cardigan, and that was only $38. And I'm kind of thinking about the KAILEIGH dress, which was $54. So we'll see. I really like that dress, but I know I don't need it. I have a ton of dresses, but I really do like it, so we'll see. Okay, but anyway, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.